Our trash. Our treasure. As of 2025, South Africa recorded that just 10% of its national waste was recycled across all categories of recyclable materials. We're going to need to do a lot better than this if we hope to get closer to achieving Sustainable Development Goals, specifically Goals 12 and 13 that respectively deal with responsible consumption and production, as well as climate action. In 2022, South Africa was reported to have produced approximately 530,000 tons of e-waste, which, when disposed of improperly, can release harmful chemicals and particulate matter into soil, air, and groundwater. About 80% of it could have been recycled, resulting in 434,000 tons of recovered material, which includes precious metals like gold. When considering that 0.003% of the average product, like a smartphone, is pure gold, about 127 tons of it could have been recovered in that year. This is 1.5 times more than the world's largest gold mine produced that year. What's more is that we could be using 95% less energy to recycle e-waste without compromising on purity levels. This is a massive energy saving compared to what we use when mining and processing raw minerals from the ground for manufacturing plants. This is why more of us need to try recycling our e-waste. Among a number of concerns and counter-arguments for a call to action like this is South Africa's chronic unemployment challenge. But consider this. Mining jobs can be transformed into e-waste collection jobs, assisting people with clearing appliances and electronic equipment out of homes, schools, businesses, and hospitals. Mineral processing plant jobs can be transformed into recycling plant jobs. With well-structured change management support in place, logistics jobs don't need to change at all because only the collection and drop-off points would be changing for these workers. While more research is needed on the feasibility and timelines required to make this shift, the evidence shows that the transition is possible. Here's how you can play your part. Start with just one junk drawer in your house, or clean out a storage closet at work. Use the interactive recycling map to find your nearest recycling drop-off point. See the link in the video description below. Call that provider to see if they'll collect from your location. If they don't offer such a service, ask just 2 people, neighbors or colleagues, to join you for the activity. If you share the costs, it reduces the financial burden by 2/3 for each of you. Look for a transporter service with labor provided in case you need to clear out larger appliances like washing machines or refrigerators. If you're following e-waste recycling news in South Africa, you might even time your activity with incentive programs that give you cash back for going to this effort. So, what do you say? Will you make your spring cleaning count this year?